How to delete a description of custom feed on Reddit. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now first thing first, let's go ahead and open up our Reddit. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your specific Reddit account. Then tap onto your three bar icon on your top right. Scroll all the way below, tap on custom feeds. Now, as you can see, I have two feeds. If you don't have any feed, you may go ahead and create one. Now, in order to delete the description of custom feed, if you tap on three dot icon, it will only give you the three options. That is, duplicate, add to home screen, or delete custom feed. So there is no direct way where you can directly change or edit or delete this description. You have to delete your custom feed overall and create a new one. So guys, this is all for today's video. If in the future Reddit updates us with that feature, we will surely make a video on that. Till then, stay updated.